Hey y'all, and welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited to have you here today because we're going to explore one of my absolute favorite places, my garden oasis. This is where I find peace, joy, and a whole lot of fun. So come on in and let's get started. Today, we're diving into something near and dear to my heart, gardening. There's something truly magical about watching a tiny seed grow into a beautiful plant. Whether you're a seasoned green thumb or just starting out, I promise you'll learn a thing or two from these 10 amazing gardening hacks. These tips have transformed my garden, and I can't wait to share them with you. From planting seeds to harvesting your own vegetables, gardening is a journey filled with learning and discovery. And don't worry if you're new to this. Everyone starts somewhere. These hacks are perfect for beginners and experts alike. So grab your gardening tools and let's dig in. Trust me, they'll have you saying, "Why didn't I think of that?" These simple yet effective tips will make your gardening experience so much more enjoyable and productive. You'll be amazed at how easy it is to improve your garden with just a few small changes. Now, stick around until the very end because I've got a little surprise for you, a hilarious gardening mishap that happened to yours truly. It's a story you won't want to miss, and it might just make you laugh out loud. Let's just say it involves a rogue sprinkler and a very surprised delivery person. It was one of those moments that you just can't plan for, but it makes for a great story. So stay tuned for that. You won't want to miss it. Plus, I'll be sharing some of my favorite gardening tools and products that have made a huge difference in my garden. These are tried and tested, and I think you'll love them as much as I do. So grab your gardening gloves and let's get our hands dirty. There's nothing quite like the feeling of working in the garden and seeing the fruits of your labor. Let's make this gardening journey a fun and rewarding experience together. Ready? Let's go! Now, who doesn't love a good cup of coffee in the morning? That rich aroma, the warmth in your hands, and the energy boost it provides, it's the perfect start to the day. But did you know those used coffee grounds are like a magic potion for your garden? Yes, that's right. Instead of throwing them away, you can repurpose them to give your plants a little extra love. Just sprinkle a thin layer around your plants, gently working it into the soil. It's a simple process that can make a big difference. The grounds break down slowly, releasing nutrients over time. It's like giving your plants a special treat. Imagine your plants waking up to a fresh cup of coffee, just like you do. They'll be more vibrant and full of life. The coffee grounds add nitrogen to the soil, which is like a superfood for plants. Nitrogen is essential for plant growth, helping them develop strong stems and lush green leaves. Plus, they help improve drainage so your plants don't get soggy feet. Good drainage is crucial for preventing root rot and other issues that can harm your plants. I've been using this hack for years, and let me tell you, my plants have never been happier. They grow faster, look healthier, and even produce more flowers and fruits. So next time you brew a pot, don't toss those grounds. Give them a second life in your garden. Not only will you be reducing waste, but you'll also be giving your plants a nutrient boost that they will love. And if you have a compost bin, coffee grounds are a fantastic addition. They help balance the carbon to nitrogen ratio, speeding up the composting process and resulting in richer compost. This rich compost can then be used to nourish your entire garden, making it a win-win situation for both you and your plants. Coffee grounds also attract earthworms, which are great for your garden. Earthworms help aerate the soil and break down organic matter, creating a healthier ecosystem for your plants. So enjoy your morning coffee, knowing that you're not just energizing yourself, but also giving your garden a little extra love. Happy gardening! Next up, let's talk about those pesky slugs and snails that love to munch on our precious plants. Well, I've got a simple solution for you: eggshells. Yep, you heard that right. Those leftover eggshells from your morning omelet can actually help keep those slimy critters at bay. Simply crush the eggshells into small pieces and sprinkle them around your plants. The sharp edges of the eggshells act as a natural deterrent, making it uncomfortable for slugs and snails to reach your plants. It's like creating a mini fence of protection. Now let's talk about composting. It's easier than you think, and it's a fantastic way to recycle kitchen scraps into nutrient-rich gold for your garden. All you need is a simple bin. You can even make one yourself using old pallets or a large plastic tote. Just drill some holes for ventilation and you're good to go. Start layering your bin with brown materials like dried leaves and twigs, then add your kitchen scraps like fruit peels, vegetable scraps, and coffee grounds. Turn the compost pile every now and then to provide air circulation. And within a few months, you'll have beautiful, rich compost to nourish your garden. Okay, this next hack might surprise you, but trust me on this one. Epsom salt isn't just for soothing sore muscles, it's also a miracle worker for plants. Epsom salt is rich in magnesium and sulfate, which are essential nutrients that help plants thrive. Simply dissolve a tablespoon of Epsom salt in a gallon of water and use it to water your plants every few weeks. You'll notice a difference in their growth and vibrancy. It's like giving your plants a spa day. If you're a rose enthusiast like me, you're going to love this next hack. Banana peels are a secret weapon for growing healthy, vibrant roses. Just bury a banana peel or two beneath the soil around your rose bushes. As the peels decompose, they release potassium and phosphorus, which are essential nutrients that roses crave. Your roses will reward you with bigger, brighter blooms.
Know you've been a good friend.
Now let's talk about preventing fungal diseases in our gardens. Did you know that plain old milk can be a powerful fungicide? Simply mix 1 part milk with 9 parts water in a spray bottle and mist your plants regularly. The milk creates an antifungal barrier on the leaves, helping to prevent diseases like powdery mildew. It's a safe and effective way to keep your plants healthy. Don't throw away that leftover water from cooking pasta or vegetables. Let it cool completely, and then use it to water your plants. The water is rich in nutrients that have leached out of the food, giving your plants an extra boost. It's a simple way to reduce waste and give your garden a little extra love. Starting seeds indoors can be so rewarding, but those tiny seedlings can be delicate and susceptible to diseases. Here's a simple trick. Sprinkle a bit of cinnamon on the soil around your seedlings. Cinnamon acts as a natural fungicide, helping to prevent damping off, a common fungal disease that can kill seedlings. It's a simple and effective way to give your seedlings a fighting chance. Weeds, the bane of every gardener's existence. But before you reach for those harsh chemicals, try this natural solution: vinegar. Mix equal parts vinegar and water in a spray bottle and apply it directly to the weeds, making sure to avoid your desired plants. The acetic acid in the vinegar will kill the weeds without harming your soil. It's a safe and effective way to win the battle against those pesky invaders. Going on vacation but worried about your plants? Don't worry, I've got you covered. You can easily create a DIY self-watering system using a simple plastic water bottle. Just poke a few small holes in the cap of a plastic water bottle, fill it with water, and insert it upside down into the soil of your plant pot. The water will slowly seep out, keeping your plants hydrated while you're away. It's a lifesaver for your plants and your peace of mind. Well, there you have it, 10 amazing gardening hacks that can transform your garden into a lush, vibrant paradise. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or just starting out, these tips are designed to make your gardening experience more enjoyable and fruitful. I hope these hacks will bring you joy and success in your gardening endeavors. From growing beautiful flowers to harvesting delicious vegetables, there's something here for everyone. Gardening is not just a hobby, it's a way to connect with nature and create something beautiful. Now tell me in the comments below which hack surprised you the most. Was it the innovative use of household items or the clever planting techniques? Your feedback helps me create more content that you love and find useful. Was it the banana peels for roses that caught your attention? This simple trick can provide essential nutrients to your roses, making them bloom more beautifully than ever. Or maybe the milk is a fungicide? It's a natural and effective way to keep your plants healthy and free from fungal diseases. Who knew that something as common as milk could be so beneficial in the garden? And don't forget about that hilarious gardening mishap I promised to share. Gardening is full of surprises, and sometimes things don't go as planned. But that's all part of the fun, right? Let's just say, I learned the hard way to always check the sprinkler settings before watering the garden. One time, I set the sprinkler too high and ended up soaking everything in sight. It involved a soak delivery person, a soggy package, and a lot of unexpected waterworks. It was a mess, but we couldn't stop laughing about it, and a whole lot of laughter. Gardening is not just about hard work. It's also about enjoying the little moments and having a good laugh along the way. If you enjoyed these tips and tricks, please let me know. Your support means the world to me and helps me continue to share my passion for gardening with all of you. Give this video a big thumbs up if you found it helpful or entertaining. It really encourages me to keep creating more content for you. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more home and garden inspiration. By subscribing, you'll never miss out on my latest tips, tricks, and gardening adventures. Be sure to check out my other videos for more fun and creative ideas. From DIY projects to seasonal gardening tips, there's always something new to learn. Happy gardening, friends! Let's grow together and make our gardens flourish.